Hey guys, 828 Fine Adventure. I've got this new little gizmo here, and it's very helpful for those of you who have a lifted truck or don't have a bed slide in the back that slides out. And somehow I found this thing. I've been looking for something like this. You know, I've used those grabby claw things. Let's see if I have one here. I've tried to use these, but they're just not strong enough for a lot of things. So I got this, and of course I love this blue anodized, and I would much rather have had this thing be completely blacked out, which I still might put some wrap on this section so it is black when I put it in the truck. But check this out. So with this pole, you get a bag. I don't know why it has a carry strap on it, and I probably won't store it in the bag. But it gives you a couple of different options here. And this looks like it's made of like a really decent stainless steel here. So I can turn that down. I could tighten it up if I wanted to with an Allen wrench. But basically what this is, look at this. Twist it, it's tight. Extend it out, twist it. You've got a grab pole. See? I can reach into the back of my truck, pull stuff out. So let's see about that. Let's see if I can find some stuff back in here. There we go. There's one thing. That's my bag of, I don't even know what's in that bag anymore. Let's see what we got here. We got something else here. Let's see if I can get this. Yeah, I just pull it out. I got a whoopee. This is basically a poncho liner for, goes inside a poncho, like a rain poncho that they used to issue in the military. They were popular during the past wars, Vietnam, stuff like that. They're super warm, and they also keep cat hair and dog hair. Any type of pet hair won't stick to them. It'll just float away. So I sometimes use this to cover furniture when I have to carry a pet somewhere, or cover the seats in the truck. But anyways, so it comes with this strong piece here. I'm gonna take that one off. See if I can do this without dropping it on the ground. Let's see. I'm pretty clumsy sometimes. There we go. I mean, you can look at that. It's welded nice. I mean, that's a chunky piece of steel there. And then it also comes with this hook. Check this out. So, you have this thing, and not only would I use it for the back of the truck, I mean, you can use this for all kinds of stuff. I mean, this pole here, it's strong. I mean, this one, look at this. Look how tall it is. It is taller than me. It's I'm going to give it 6.5 feet tall, or just about 6.5 feet. This pole here, I put this hook on it. This thing would be great for, you could go up in your closet and get clothes down. It's got two different hooks. You got stuff like extension cords or stuff hanging in your garage. You could put it up there on a hook or take it down or whatever you need to do. But, this works great for getting stuff out. Let's see if I can fish any more out of here. I don't see anything. I've got it pretty clean. But, so anyhow, so there you have it. It folds up. You don't have to use it all with a 6 foot. If you're in your house, you won't need that, I don't think. And, you can just, look at that. You can just do it like this. Well, pretty neat, huh? Got a little handle on it. It's not real substantial, but it's nice. Kind of like an old bicycle grip. But, it's pretty neat. Then you can take these hooks off so they don't hook on stuff in your vehicle if you're going to store this in your vehicle. And you can keep these, it comes with this bag. It's not the best. but it's got a little drawstring on it and a little strap here. I don't know what you need that for. We take this hiking. I don't know. To pick. Oh, maybe you could use it to get apples out of a tree or something like that. Or what do they call those things up in Virginia on the rivers in Maryland? Pawpaws. Maybe you can get some pawpaws down. Learned that from Aqua Chigger. He's a great metal detectorist. Check him out on YouTube. Aqua Chigger. Cool videos. So anyways, yeah, it's got this, I don't know. I probably won't use this bag, and I'll just toss those things in the back, leave one on there, and toss the other one in. But I wanted to share this with you because this is pretty cool. I really like this. And I'm going to use it for a lot of things. It's pretty neat. Tighten it up here. Look at that. Again, all you do is twist it. You twist it like this. So I'm twisting it to the right, extending it, twisting it to the left, tighten it. Twist it to the, there you go. Boom, like that. Twist it to the right, extend it, twist it to the left to tighten it. So it's pretty neat. Yeah, and it's made really well. Like I said, I really like the blue anodized. This part here, I'll probably cover with a piece of black wrap so it, I don't know, fits the theme of my truck. But anyways, I wanted to share this with you. I will put links, of course, excuse me, under the video in the description. You can check this out. There's a couple of, I'm not going to say a couple, there's a lot of different versions of this, but they were all shorter. This one I found was like 6.5 feet, almost 6.5 feet tall. So that's why I like this one. The longer the better, because you can make it shorter if you need to. So anyways, check out those links, see what you think. And, there you go. Got a hook. You can use it in your truck or in your house or whatever you need. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. And I will see you next time. See ya.